Hey everyone, the ASUS NUC 14 Pro is a shining example of how contemporary technology can smoothly blend high performance, compactness, and intelligent features in the ever-evolving market for small computer systems. This tiny PC raises the bar for efficiency and performance with its support for artificial intelligence and the newest Intel Core Ultra CPUs. There are two variants of the ASUS NUC 14 Pro, tall and slim. Their size is the primary distinction between them. However, all of their functional components are the same. With an emphasis on functionality, both variants feature a simple design. Quick access to commonly used connections is ensured by the front panel's two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C connector, and power button. Two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a power connector, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, a SATA port for 2.5-inch drives, and more USB 2.0 Type A connectors are among the many interfaces available on the back panel. Users can connect up to four 4K resolution screens with this configuration. The gadget also has VESA mounting capability, which adds installation versatility. A flexible option for both home and office settings is the ASUS NUC 14 Pro. It is the best option for simple to moderate activities because it is powered by Intel's 13th generation Core i3 processor. This processor is energy efficient and has good multitasking performance. Two Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 RAM modules, each with a 16 gig capacity, make up the device's 32 gig capacity in one of the tested configurations. Large datasets and demanding applications run smoothly with this configuration. A Kingston NV3 PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD with a 1 terabyte capacity and quick read and write speeds is used by the system for storage. One of the ASUS NUC 14 Pro's primary features is its integration of artificial intelligence. Through three mechanisms, AI, GPU, NPU, and CPU, it makes use of AI to improve efficiency in challenging computational tasks while consuming little power. Dual-channel DDR5 memory is supported by the system, providing a notable increase in bandwidth over DDR4. Even the most demanding apps can use the device because it supports up to 96 gigs of RAM, depending on the configuration. A small PC with many uses, the ASUS NUC 14 Pro is incredibly adaptable. It works well for image processing, graphic design, video editing, and office work. Because of its performance, it's perfect for training sessions, process management, and digital signage. While content makers can use its capabilities for graphic-intensive tasks like video editing, small and medium-sized enterprises can profit from its speed in managing office programs and multitasking. With its dependable connectivity and small size, the ASUS NUC 14 Pro is also a great option for education, facilitating online learning and virtual meetings. It blends in perfectly with any workspace without taking up too much space, whether it is in a home office or a school. So the ASUS NUC 14 Pro is a complete solution for contemporary consumers, not simply a little computer. It is a useful tool for companies, education, and creative workers due to its small size. Excellent performance, AI support, and wide range of networking possibilities. Its attractiveness is further increased by energy economy and strong security features, which guarantee that it will always be a strong and dependable computing solution for a range of applications. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.